In this head-to-head video, we'll go over 5 advantages that the Toyota RAV4 Limited all-wheel drive has over Chevrolet's Equinox Premiere, outfitted with a 1.5-liter turbo engine and all-wheel drive. Every 2020 RAV4 comes standard with the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 suite of active safety systems, which includes full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control. The comparable adaptive cruise control on Equinox Premiere requires adding the $1,650 Confidence and Convenience 2 package. RAV4 includes 8 airbags mounted throughout its cabin, including driver knee and front passenger seat cushion airbags. Equinox comes equipped with 6 airbags. RAV4 Limited's audio multimedia system comes standard with 11 powerful JBL speakers, as well as integrated dynamic navigation with 3-year trial period. Equinox Premiere makes do with a 6-speaker audio system and does not offer standard integrated navigation. RAV4 Limited comes standard with 19-inch alloy wheels, whereas Equinox Premiere has smaller 18-inch alloy wheels. RAV4 Limited includes a camera-based digital rear-view mirror to help prevent the view from being blocked from inside the cabin. Equinox Premiere only offers a traditional rear-view mirror. And even beyond these 5 advantages, the 2020 RAV4 Limited offers no shortage of incredible selling points, like its 203 horsepower engine, an EPA-estimated 33 miles per gallon on the highway, as well as the 2-year Toyota Care maintenance plan. All considered, it's no surprise that RAV4 is as popular as it is.